Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a collage on Pinterest. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, give your sign-in details, and sign in into your Pinterest account. Now on your screen, you can see options like Home, Search, Create, Inbox, and Saved. You have to tap on Create. Then from the bottom, you can see a small menu appearing with options like Pin, Collage, and Board. You have to select Collage. Once you select Collage, you can see you can remix a collage, learn how to collage there, or you can simply add images from the search bar. Select Search and look for the topics. You can also add images from your library. There you can take a picture as well and draw on it and add text, etc. All you have to do is make a collage and tap on that arrow button at the top right corner. And guys, that's it. That's how you make a collage on Pinterest. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.